What's up, everyone? Today's wine text is the Alexana Gran Coeur Red Blend, which comes from the Yakima Valley within Columbia Valley in Washington. It's the 2016 vintage. So what you need to know about this wine to start off with is the proprietor himself, which is Dr. Medaya Ravana. That rings a bell. He's also the proprietor of Ravana Vineyards within Napa Valley. If you're not familiar with that, his passion comes from the French winemaking world. So in France, the most important part when it comes to making wine is highlighting where the wine comes from, the appellation, the vineyard it comes from. And what he did was take that passion for consuming those style wines and brought it to America. So all of his wines that he makes is about highlighting where the grapes are grown, where they come from, and then the winemaker themselves. This 2016 is a big wine. This is pretty full-bodied. I mean, it's 14.3. I think it's between 14% and 14.5% alcohol. The wine spends 18 months in oak, so there's a ton of kind of structural components that come in there, but also give it a really long toasted almond, kind of vanilla, lingering, kind of savory finish. The wine is a lot of dark fruits up front and a lot of flavor, while being kind of balanced with a decent amount of acidity coming from so far north up in Washington. We talk about collectible wines. I know there's the two kinds that we talked about. There's ones that you collect and try to sell later for profitability, and then there's ones you collect and experience. This is a collectible wine. I mean, this wine usually sells upwards of that $60 range. But this bottle specifically is a wine that you can buy a case of now and try every year and experience for the next 12 years and see how this wine really evolves. I don't think it's something you want to sell later, but I mean, it's still collectible, as in it lay down and get better over time. So yeah, really cool wine. You get it at an amazing price, and I think you guys are really going to like where this goes.